We just stopped in Bredesdorp or Bredasdorp, and I see that my new little side bag has melted. I wanna cry. Oh, it looks nice and quiet as well.
If you'd like to see us interacting with Perry the Stingray, we'll link the video in the description.
So this old boat here has got quite an interesting name. Check here. Valhalla.
Ooh! Bit of a workout there. They're loaded.
So this is the Blue Whale accommodation. Wow, what a lovely big kitchen. Oh my, look at this view. This is absolutely gorgeous. Got a nice built-in dry. Oh wow, that's nice and interesting. But look at this view. Let's see if I can go out here. Here we go. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely stunning. This is stunning. Here we go, dots. Okay, going on to the bedrooms. Yeah, this is really beautiful. Oh, okay. It's the bathroom. Bath. Okay, there's the shower. Basin, toilet. Imagine seeing the ocean from your bed every single morning. How gorgeous would that be? Then this is the second bedroom, 2 single beds. And also, look at that. Yummy chocky. Oh, second bathroom. But yeah, I can't get over this view. So this is what the Blue Whale is all about. We are once again at the southernmost tip of Africa, and we've decided to watch the sunset.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's us again, and we're off on another adventure.
Today we're off to Malgas. We've never been there before, so this is going to be quite an adventure. We're going to go across a pontoon. Have you ever been on a pontoon?
Never been on a pontoon.
Me neither. Yeah. And we're taking our beautiful beasts with us today, so that's going to be really, really awesome.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Come with for the ride. Let's go check it out. Malgas, there we go. And we are on the dirt road.
Yes!
Red Bull gives you wings.
So we're taking a short break on the gravel road to Malgas, and Andre's going to fly the drone. There's a nice little dam there. And then we also need to just let these tires down a little bit.
So I'm not sure how many Ks we've ridden. Do you know how far we still got to go?
Yeah, the GPS says 16 kilometers to the ferry point. Up front here we need to turn left somewhere.
Okay, it's not too bad. So basically halfway. Oh yeah, here's the sign. Cool bananas. We are going to Malgas.
We have arrived at the pontoon. I'm so excited to go across.
That was awesome! I love that!
Oh, look at this, right on the beach. This is a mixture of wee-wee and mud.
Why be boring?
Hello. Oh, this thing looks scary.
survived all the mud. Look at this. My bike needs a good wash when we get home. Have to see this. Andre's bike took a poo-poo, a number 2. And we're going in. We're moving in towards the poo-poo. There's the evidence of the number 2.
Here we go. Ooh, look at this.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunny, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want me, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. You love me right.
This is living.